Welcome to Best Car Fixes. In this car 2017-16 Honda Pilot, we have a problem. The code is U3000-49 and it says that camera statistic or camera unit or radar unit malfunction, but it never give us exactly choice between two. What you need to do is, if you have this problem, go into radar and try to calibrate the radar. If the radar accepts calibration, that means the radar communication is good. The U3000-49, based on what is in front of it, it can say U300-49 transmission, U3000-49. It could be ABS, it could be cluster, it could be radio, anything. It could be radar system. But for this one here, we have that code and we have all this message. Even the transmission is not seeing the feedback from the adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation. And if you notice here, this is a transmission code related to the cruise. It's a lost communication with adaptive cruise control because I disconnected in a certain time. But if you go back in here, this is a transmission. I'm gonna go back again one more. I will come to drive support unit and then I will go to integrated support. Here, look at the code I'm gonna get. When I go to DTC, okay, you see here the DTC is a multimeter. You see, it's a multi-purpose camera unit, unit, millimeter wave radar internal electronic failure. The code, it say like, it could be the radar unit, it could be the camera unit. The camera unit is located here. You see this piece here? This is the piece. And it's connected here like this. You see this here? Now I just try to do one thing. I'm gonna take the car off, disconnect the car off. There is no communication. But remember, with the ignition on, the code is what? Let me show you the code. That means if we change radar unit on this car, but if you're gonna check it and if this code is still there, it could be failure camera unit or radar unit. Both of them, possible cause. And to be sure the radar unit, you have to do some functions, and camera unit to do some functions. So now, is it a camera unit? We bought a new camera. This camera, we bought it new. Muhammad, give me hold it for me. I'm gonna show you how the difference is.
Need what?
Give me okay, I'm going to take the key off. Hold the camera for me. I will disconnect this one. I will disconnect this and put that one. And then I'll turn the ignition on and see what the difference. Okay. I disconnect this. Even it's hot. I'm gonna connect this one. Okay, I'll connect this one here. I did not even put it back. So now let me see what it's gonna say.
Hello.
Okay, I'm gonna try to turn the key on.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Now I'm gonna try to turn the ignition on. Let me see. By turning the ignition on, this is accessory. Let me see here. You see, the code is gonna change soon. You see now he changed to static camera aiming. Static camera aiming. Incomplete. It's different. So now we know for sure the code change from U3000-49 to B2 Apple 60-54. So for sure now we know the problem is that this piece was no good. We have a new one and we put it there. So what we need to do now, I'm going to turn the key off and I will try to install it. Come other side. I gotta try to put this piece there. Give me the light. be careful. They say also to be sure the windshield have to be original. The windshield have to be original. And let me go here. I believe, or you can go through here and push it. Okay. All right. Because I don't believe this have to go here. Yeah. This is this one here. It have a comes this side. Comes this side. Yeah. It's very simple. You have to put it, and this piece have to go all the way here. All the way that place, and then you put it back. So if you want to take it out, just like this, see here, and then just push, set. This is a camera aiming. Be sure that the windshield is clean, and they say also the windshield must be original. And after that, you're gonna put this piece, you see, this one also, you have to push it slowly, cover it. I'm gonna try to finish the programming, then I will put it in, because this is only a cover and have to come through the wire, see here, and you have to put it in and push it. I'm not gonna put it now till my aiming is finished, then I will cover this one. But we know that for sure, that's the problem here. Now it's still there, but you have to, either you can drive it or you have to do the reset. Right now I don't have any other codes. You see here, the only code I have is a static camera. It changed from radar malfunction to static camera. We're gonna try to go and reset it, and then we take it from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.